The PPF will also tell us the trade-off or the opportunity cost between the two labels on the axis. So this we have that we can get the trade-off between economics points and biology points. All right, so we want to get the trade-offs from this. You can think of trade-offs as capturing the opportunity costs. Now, opportunity costs will be measured in units of the axis labels. Okay, so we're not going to do the opportunity cost of 1 hour of study time. We want to do the opportunity cost of an extra biology point. So let's start from there. So let's try to calculate on our PPF the opportunity cost of 1 biology point. Now, remember the opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative. So the opportunity cost of biology points will be in terms of units of how many economics points do we need to give up to get one more biology point. So let's start from this point up there. We're all the way to the extreme where we're spending all of our time on economics and we get no extra biology points, we get 0. So if we want to get more biology points, let's just change 1 hour from economics and spend it towards biology. And if we do that, we will gain 4 bio points from that change. Now, we can't get out there. We can't go farther than outside this PPF. So we have to give up something. Okay? There has to be a trade-off. The trade-off is we need to reduce the number of econ points that we get. And so we will lose 8 eco points in terms of the trade-off. Right? So the trade-off here is 4 bio points to 8 econ points. Now, if we want to change this into like a single biology point to get the opportunity cost of a biology point, we want to think about rise over run going in this direction. Okay. All right, so slope of our line is going to be rise over run. Okay, so the rise part is going to be the change along the x-axis. And so for us here, that's going to be a -8. It's going to go down 8. We're going to lose 8 eco points. Okay. We will gain 4 bio points. This is going to be the run variable along the x-axis, the change in the x-axis. And so we'll plus 4 bio points. Okay. Now we can simplify that fraction there, 8 over 4. And so that's going to be 2. And so the terms of units here are going to be what's in the numerator here, eco points. So we'll get 2 eco points per 1 bio point, right? And so now this is our opportunity cost. What we have to give up to get 1 more bio point. We need to give up 2 eco points. Okay. All right, so just to be clear here, if I ask you what is the opportunity cost of 1 biology point, you would tell me 2 economics points. That's what you have to give up to get that extra biology point. Okay, now the next question, what is the opportunity cost of 1 economics point? This question is asking you how many biology points do you need to give up to get 1 economics point? All right, the trick here is that the first one we did, biology points, we're moving out in this direction along the x-axis. And when you want to know the opportunity cost of the x-axis good, then it's just going to be equal to the slope, which was 2 in this case. Right? If we're going to ask the opportunity cost of the y good, we're going to move up along the y-axis. We want more economics points, right? And if we want more economics points, we need to give up some biology points. So let's start from right here. We need to get more economics points. We'd go up 8 economics points right there, and we'd have to give up 4 biology points. There's the trade-off. All right, so to get that in color here, we would gain 8 economics points and would lose 4 biology points. All right. So this would be, if we put it into the same equation here, rise over run, we'd still get 2 for that, but we're going the opposite direction. Right? So all we have to do here is basically do the reciprocal of the slope. So if you want the y good, which is going to be economics points here for this one here, we're just take the 1 over slope equals your opportunity cost. Okay. All right. So for us, that would be 1 over the 2 that we found for the opportunity cost up here, and we can interpret this as the opportunity cost of 1 economics point is 1/2 biology point. Right? So to get 1 more economics point, we need to give up 1/2 of a biology point.